Have you ever wondered why your brain keeps pulling you toward quick pleasure, even when you know it's hurting your focus, energy, and confidence? Why discipline feels hard, but temptation feels automatic? Today's video is about rewiring your reward system, not through shame, not through extreme rules, but through understanding how your brain works and how sexual discipline can help you regain control. If you stay till the end, you'll understand why effort feels painful now, pleasure feels empty later, and how to flip that pattern for good. Let's begin. Part 1. Understanding the reward system. Your brain runs on one powerful chemical, dopamine. Dopamine is not the pleasure chemical. It is the anticipation chemical. Pushes you to seek rewards, food, success, attention, and yes, sexual pleasure. Here's the problem. Modern life gives us too much reward, too fast, with no effort. Endless scrolling, instant entertainment. Sexual discipline is not about suppression. It's about resetting sensitivity. Part 2. How compulsive pleasure trains the brain. Every time you choose instant pleasure over effort, your brain learns one lesson. Easy pleasure is better than meaningful progress. Over time, your willpower weakens, your patience shrinks, your confidence drops, not because you are weak, but because your brain was trained this way. Think of it like junk food. If you eat sugar all day, real food tastes boring. If you feed your brain constant stimulation, real achievement feels dull. Sexual discipline helps you lower the noise so real rewards can feel rewarding again. Easy stimulation. When pleasure is always available, your brain adapts. What once felt exciting now feels normal, and normal soon feels boring. This is why focus feels difficult, motivation feels low, real-life effort feels heavy. Your reward system is overstimulated. Part 3. Rewiring begins with delay, not denial. Here is a powerful truth. You don't rewire your brain by quitting everything at once. You rewire it by delaying gratification. When an urge appears, don't fight it aggressively. Don't act on it instantly. Just delay. 10 minutes. One walk. One deep breath. That delay sends a new signal to your brain. I am in control. Each delay strengthens your reward system. Over time, effort starts to feel good again. Part 4. Replace cheap rewards with earned rewards. Your brain needs rewards, so give it better ones. Earned rewards rewire the system faster than pleasure ever did. Examples: exercise after resisting an urge, cold showers to reset stimulation, writing goals and tracking progress, finishing hard tasks before seeking comfort. At first, these feel uncomfortable, but soon something changes. You start feeling pride, clarity, inner strength. This is dopamine earned through effort, the strongest kind. Part 5. Sexual energy as creative energy. Sexual energy is not bad. It's powerful. When controlled, it becomes focus, drive, confidence, creativity. Men throughout history understood this. They didn't waste energy, they redirected it. When you stop leaking energy through compulsive habits, your presence changes. People feel it. You feel it. Part 6. Expect resistance. It means you're winning. When you start rewiring your reward system, your brain will resist. You'll feel restlessness, boredom, mental excuses. This is normal. Discomfort means the old wiring is breaking. Do not escape it. Observe it. The moment you sit with discomfort, you gain power. Rewiring your reward system is not a 7-day challenge. It's a lifestyle shift. You stop chasing pleasure and start building power. Remember this: delay builds discipline. Effort rebuilds dopamine. Control creates confidence. Sexual discipline is not about losing pleasure. It's about earning a deeper one: pride, focus, and self-respect. If this video helped you, like it. If you want more content on discipline, focus, and mental strength, subscribe. Your brain can be rewired. Your energy can be reclaimed. And your best version is waiting.